Okay, today I'm going to show you how to get under the world using camps or workshops. So on this left side, I already have a little setup using my personal terminal from Fallout First. You can also use a regular terminal from the workshop/camp mode. So as you can see, I am under the world. There are rendering glitches because of it. But don't worry too much because that doesn't really affect anything. So just jump to go back up above world. And here's what you've got to do. So first you want a concrete foundation or a wood one. It doesn't matter as long as it's a foundation of some sort. Go over to stairs and place stairs like this so that it's angled up towards the back of the foundation. What you're going to do next is you're going to get on the stairs up near the top. You're going to go over to tables, and hopefully by this point in time you've got the White Springs Curio. You'll place this on the second step of the stairs, perfectly straight like that. And then you're going to go over to miscellaneous structures and find my personal terminal. It's maybe a bit tricky for some people to place if you have coordination issues, but once you see the outline, go ahead and place it down. So you're going to want to back up to the back of the stairs, and you're going to want to grab it from the top of the second step. And then you're going to drag it down, and hopefully, if you've got it right, you can place it down like this. And there you go, you've got your entrance into the underworld. Enjoy!